The electrical issues, we've had, we clean another prominent law firm downtown in the financial district in Manhattan. There we had one of our electric outlets, the ones that we typically use for the vacuum, the one that we've been using for years, is acting funny, wasn't working. We called the supervisor on site. They were able to, we took a picture, we showed them a video of what was actually happening. There was like sparks coming out of an electrical outlet. They were able to say, yes, this is like a bigger issue. They called it an emergency electrician, and they kind of, saved the office from having like a larger issue that week. This stuff happens all the time because we're on site every night, and we know the space, we know the rhythm of what's supposed to be working, what's not supposed to be leaking, which lights should be working. And then when we see something out of place, we're able just to quickly resolve the problem, something that like an office worker who's focused on their other stuff is not really paying attention to.